Now, your local forecast from Siouxland's weather team and AccuWeather 9.
Welcome back. You know, all in all, plenty of good weather to give those last hugs this morning to all the kids going off.
Yeah, unfortunately, when you're coming home from school, you may not be as lucky.
Yeah, a little bit of a change coming up. So that first day of school, you might not need the umbrella exactly if you get lucky, if the kids get home early enough.
Exactly. If the kids get home at like 3 or 4 o'clock, you may be able to escape them. But if you're in parts of southeast South Dakota, you may already be seeing some storms. We're dry here in downtown Sioux City for the moment. But as we head throughout the next couple of hours, we've got a large storm system that's pushing into the area, and that's going to give us a good chance at showers and thunderstorms. We just saw a few on our ESP Live Doppler radar. Let's take a look at the broader system a little bit farther back in time. You can see these very light showers making their way to the east, now pulling into Yankton. The ones just west of there, though, we've got a strong one right there. You can see just south of Charles, Mix County. That actually just had a severe thunderstorm warning placed on it until 12:15 today. A couple of these storms could possibly gain in strength as they make their way east, but we're expecting the major development to come during the afternoon hours at around 3 or 4 o'clock today. So hopefully those kids get home quick and they get home safe. We got still quite a bit of cloud cover at Sioux Gateway Airport, but still warming up, even though don't see much sunshine. Winds out of the south-southeast are the cause of that at about 12 miles per hour. Definitely a breezy day across the area and very, very muggy afternoon ahead of us as well, with that dew point at 67 degrees. Most of us have been seeing cloud cover mainly in eastern parts of Siouxland into the west and southwest, where we're starting to see a few more 80s. That's where we've been able to tap into some of that clearing. And as we go throughout the next couple of hours, that clearing, that sunshine is going to provide a lot of instability to the area. And that's where we could see a chance for more showers and thunderstorms, possibly severe weather later today. As mentioned, these winds very breezy out of the south, up to about 15 miles per hour across the area. These are really transporting a lot of warmth and a lot of moisture into the area. You can see where the most moisture is out west. Dew points in the 70s all across northeast Nebraska and into parts of southeast South Dakota. It looks like that's where the stronger storms will be at first. As we head into the evening hours, though, we're going to start to see more of this moisture transporting to the east, and we should be able to get higher 60s in the northwest, where we're still in the mid 60s for dew points, and that's going to keep the severe weather threat around for just a bit longer. Now, when we say severe weather threat, it can be one of 3 things: large hail, tornadoes, or damaging winds. When we start off this at the beginning, large hail looks to be the main threat. You see this blue shaded area, that's significant hail. That just means we have a greater chance for hail larger than 2 inches diameter. But everyone's got a 15% chance of any storms that do come up producing that large hail. We have just a 5% area for tornadoes in the northwest. It doesn't look like that'll be a major threat, but these will be those first few isolated storms, bringing us the large hail and possibly an isolated tornado or 2. As we head into the evening hours, we'll start to see a longer line of storms developing, and those are going to push down to the southeast. That's when we'll start to see that threat shift to strong winds, gusts upwards of 70 miles per hour. And that's why we have that 30% wind farther down to the south and southeast for later on tonight. Our Stormcast model doing a good job of showing this. You can see those stronger storms at about 7 o'clock tonight in the south. Those will continue to push out of the area, possibly bringing moderate to heavy rainfall with them. So we got to keep a close eye on those river levels. But by the time we hit the day on Friday, this cold front should be able to stop the rain, at least during the daytime. Overnight Friday into Saturday, though, we're looking at some more storms pulling in from the west, but this high pressure system could move in and clear us out a bit as we head into the later hours of the day on Saturday. This afternoon, we have a good chance for strong to severe storms in the area with highs in the mid 80s. Overnight tonight, cooling back into the mid 60s with those storms shifting to the east. Then into the daytime tomorrow, we'll only see a high at about 80 degrees with another few storms possible during the evening and overnight hours Friday into Saturday, and then a few more possible on Saturday night. After that, though, we're looking at warmer, muggier conditions and a lot of sunshine as we head into next week.
And good chance that second day of school or third for some kids in the area might be a little bit wet.
Yeah.
So, all right, thanks, Carissa.